We are now ready to host the Madaraka Day Expo starting tomorrow. The setup is now 90% done. By tonight it will be 100% done. The president will open the expo. As you are well aware, we've changed national holidays from 1 day to 1 week. So the president will be here tomorrow to launch the expo. The theme is around empowering enterprise, SMEs, MSMEs, cooperatives, trade and revenue. On Saturday, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, will be the chief guest here, and he will be discussing ICT and revenue, and will be accompanied by the relevant ministries and government departments. On Sunday, we will be at the Embu Anglican Church for prayer of the SMEs, together with the Embu leadership. On Monday, we will have the Embu County Day, and the guest of honor on that day will be CS Linturi, and the COG chair, that's Council of Governors chair, Honorable Ann Waiguru, and the governor of Embu, Honorable Sisri Barire. On Tuesday, the guest of honor will be Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua.